Some breaking news coming in from Uttar Pradesh now. A family of 10, including women, children and an elderly couple, were brutally assaulted and abused on board the Shikohabad Kasanj passenger train near Mainpuri in Uttar Pradesh. Now, we're given to understand that the victims are recuperating in a Farokhabad hospital, but some of them are injured grievously. My colleague Amir is now joining me live from Lucknow for more details on this. Amir, we're given to understand that this mob attacked, assaulted this family of 10 on board that train, but what really triggered the clash?
Well, it is still not clear what exactly triggered this clash or this attack on this family. But we are given to understand that there are some grievous injuries which have actually been inflicted on this family of about 10 people. About 4 to 5 people have suffered fractures, and they are recuperating in a hospital there in Farokhabad. Also, we are told that police is investigating the matter because this clearly stands out as a grave security lapse on board a passenger train around Shikohabad, wherein the aggrieved family, the victims, also tried to approach the police, the GRP, but no help was forthcoming. It in fact can be equated with the incident that happened on board another passenger train plying between Delhi and Haryana, wherein one of those injured person actually succumbed to his injuries. So also this appears to be a hate crime because this family of 10 actually belong to the Muslim community, and we've been told that the women passengers, the women members of the family, had also been molested by the mob that had gathered over there. In fact, more people were called in by some of those attackers who were flying on this train, and the victims actually had to lock the compartment from inside.
Right, Amir, stay with me. Sorry to interrupt you there. I will come back to you for more details that you're getting us on this attack. But I have Samajwadi Party's Ghanshyam Tiwari joining us on the phone line. So thank you for speaking with us. How do you respond to this? This train was stopped. The visuals that we see, you can see men trying to get into the train.